A rate is a ratio. Sorry about that, rewrote that wrong. A ratio with different units. Ratio with different units, and it might be something like dollars per hour. It might be something like students per class. It might be something like miles per gallon. Many different options. And a unit rate has a second quantity of 1. So the unit rate is always, the unit is 1. Corey earns $52.50 in 7 hours. Find the unit rate, or how much he earns in 1 hour. So we do 52.50 divided by 7. And that ends up with 7.5. So he makes $7.50 per hour. Number 10, Kobayashi of Japan ate 53.5 hot dogs in 12 minutes. Find the unit rate, or how many hot dogs he ate in 1 minute. So 53.5 over 12. And if you divide that, he eats 4.45 hot dogs per minute. 4.45 hot dogs per minute. And converting rates, we're going to change from one rate to another. Change from one rate to another. So if we start out with 325 miles per hour and write it like that, with the miles on the top and the hours on the bottom, and we want to change that to feet per minute. So first of all, from miles to feet, there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. You'll notice we have miles on the top and miles on the bottom. And then hours, 1 hour is 60 minutes. And whenever you write these down, you need to make sure a unit on the top cancels with 1 on the bottom, and then hours cancels with hours. And then we have 325 times 5,280, and then I'm going to divide by 60 minutes, and that is 28,600 feet per minute. Number 12, 52 feet per hour, and we want to change that to inches per second. First, from feet to inches, there are 12 inches in 1 foot. Feet on the top, feet on the bottom, cancel. And then we need to go from hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. So in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And then in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Hours cancel, minutes cancel. And then if we do 52 times 12 divided by 60, divided by 60, we get 0.173 inches per second. Cyclist travels 56 miles in 4 hours, and we want that in feet per second. Miles to feet, there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile, and our miles cancel. We need to go from hours to seconds again. So 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. Hours cancels with hours. Minutes cancels with minutes. And when we divide that out, let's see, 56 times 5,280, and we're going to divide that by 4 times 60 times 60. I got about 20.53 feet per second. And the last one, a cheetah can run at a rate of 60 miles per hour. And we want this in feet per second. So 5,280 feet in a mile. 1 hour is 60 minutes. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. Miles cancels with miles. Hours cancels with hours. Minutes cancels with minutes. And you end up with 88 feet per second.